Hello, fan collectors. This is a Casablanca Century 9000 ceiling fan in antique brass. I believe it is 50 inches. I got this off Facebook Marketplace. It was about 40 minutes away from me. And I have to say, I'm pretty fascinated by this one. Believe this is museum worthy. I know there's a smaller one. I want to say 36-inch maybe, but I could be wrong. In the museum, there's a smaller one in the exact finish. I actually want to thank Dan Newman. He pointed this fan out to me. He pointed out that this was near my area, and it took a while. There was like several people that were bidding on it, and several fan collectors. And someone even like raised up the price at one point. Didn't even think I was gonna get it. But eventually, after about a week, I was in fact able to go pick this up, and I'm pretty impressed. It is from, according to the serial number, it is from, is the tag? If I can get this to focus. It is from May 1981. It is from May 9th, 1981. And it would have been, I think, the 950th fan that day, but I don't know. But I know there's like a certain number that tells you what number, like the number of the fan that was made that day. I think it's this bit right here, but I'm not positive. I'm not even... Yeah, I'm a little confused on that. So if someone could clarify that, that would be great. But I do know it is from May 1981. I don't think this light kit is original or is a Casablanca light kit. It does not look like. It's definitely added on. It does not look like a Casablanca light kit. It could be, but I don't think it is. But whatever, I love the light kit on it. The light kit looks great on it, so it's definitely a keeper. You can see it is on. You're probably wondering why it's on this hang true that's polished brass. The hang true is not original. It's from my Delta 2, my 90s Delta 2. That's because the hang true is recalled, and I'm still trying to get a recall clip for it. This is the original hang true right there. But it's recalled, and it would probably be fine, but I just wanted to be safe and use one that wasn't recalled until I get a recall clip. So, yeah, let's have a look. It's the light. This fan has pretty good bearings, actually almost excellent bearings, actually. It's very quiet too. It's on a variable speed control, but it's plastic box, I believe. It doesn't say slumber quiet on the tag, and it does make a little noise, so I'm assuming this is not a slumber quiet control. I'll put it in the description confirming it once I actually take off the light kit and I can confirm that it is a plastic box. But I'm almost positive that's the case. The slumber quiet started around 1981, which would have been around when that's the year the fan was made. So this probably would have been right before very shortly before slumber quiet. And we'll turn it up a little bit there. And the capacitor seems good too. And this is actually one of the only any Casablanca that has a variable speed on it, rather that be slumber quiet or just a plastic box, that actually works. I have the brown brass Zephyr over there. Is this slumber quiet? It doesn't say. 04. So, see, here's the variable speed, but it doesn't work. When I tried it, it didn't work. So I'm glad I finally have a variable speed function that actually works. All right, turn it up a little more here. We'll put it directly down there. So this is kind of like a slow medium speed, roughly about medium. This is probably more like a regular medium speed right here. Oh wow, this thing puts out air. Doesn't see very powerful wind mover. I might actually put this one up in my room once I get a recall clip for it. This one would work pretty nicely. I've been wanting to change the Sears out for a while now, but I've been trying to find the fan for that. The only problem with this one is the set screw is acting all funky, like it keeps wanting to come out, and obviously that would be very bad, especially for reverse, because if I was like, for a long-term install, if I were running it on reverse, the set screw just happened to misbehave and just came out, it would be disaster. So especially if I was like not around or something. And actually, because of that, I'm going to do reverse here, but I'm not going to do high speed for reverse, just to be safe. I'm going to do maybe roughly around there. I think it should be fine, but just to be sure. reverse it yet. I just did the knob. I'll let this slow down all the way though. Alright. Yeah, I'll turn it up a little bit. Alright. Oh, and I'll do the light one more time. Alright, that's it guys. Thanks for watching.